How to verify your LinkedIn profile page without your passport. So for this video, we're using an NIN, trying to use an NIN, your national identification number, as a means of ID to see if we can use it to verify our LinkedIn profile page, right? So this person's profile obviously is not verified for us to start using it. So from here, I'll have to click the add verification badge so that it will take us to the page where LinkedIn will load. So let's give it a minute. So by the time the page comes up, you'll be given this page. I'm sure you must have seen this page if you're someone that is used to trying to verify your profile page on LinkedIn, but if not, then this is the page that they'll bring it to. Get notified more by verifying your identity. Just read up the whole right up there. I'm just trying to tell you that okay, you're gonna try verifying your identity right now for LinkedIn members, and you will need to provide personal, a valid government or a means of ID basically for your country of choice. So you just click on verify with personal. So, and if you want to read about how it works for a minute, you have to click on that, and then it will take you to how verifying your identity actually works. So you can take your time to read it, saying that personnel will receive a request ID and a link to your LinkedIn profile from LinkedIn when you begin the verification process. So it will ask you to upload your photo of your government ID, or scan the NFC chip in the ID and then provide a live selfie. So all of those informations are there for you to read. So by the time you scroll down, you'll keep reading the rest of the info that LinkedIn has supplied you with in order to teach you how this verification process works, and then you can easily go back and then continue by clicking verify with persona. So when you click on that, it will take you to the page where you have to select your country. So you have to select Nigeria, and then you check the boxes to agree to the terms and conditions, and then you click to continue. So it says, do you see this symbol on the front of your ID and all of that? So click yes and continue. Let's just try it out, right? See if it will work. So by the time you click continue, so it will load up and it will bring you to the part where you have to snap or upload the front of your government ID. So we'll have to try to upload the front of our NIN, our national identity card. So let's see if that works. So by the time you place it, you had to use her NIN, the person's NIN, to verify. So ensure that your lighting is good and your letterings are clear, and then by the time it will snap the front, it will process for a while. So fingers crossed, let's see if this will work, right? So you can see that after a while it's brought up this page that says it looks like you didn't submit a passport. So obviously NIN is not an identity that you should use to try to verify your LinkedIn profile page, right? It can work if peradventure you are trying to regain your account after it is restricted, maybe temporary restriction. That is the case that I have seen. But for the purpose of this video, we had to try to see if we can verify with our NIN. And even after we clicked OK, that let's see if we try to retry this process. If you keep trying this process again and again, to still bring you to the page that you didn't submit a passport because that chip is not on your NIN, and so LinkedIn does not recognize your national identification number, your NIN, as a means of ID for verifying your LinkedIn profile page. So this is just a big test, a video to test it out, because some persons have asked me on my past videos on if they can actually verify their profile with their NIN. So I had to test this one out and then share with you so you will see the outcome. So that is just it, right? I hope you've gotten some form of clarity, and then stick around for some other videos and all of that. Thank you for watching. Bye guys.